Okay, let's have a look at what we get in here. I won't make this last too long. A slide off cover made for vlogging. And there's the box itself. It's very small, but clearly untouched by human hand. So, normal blah blah guarantee stuff. A manual that probably isn't a manual. No, it's a startup guide in a million different languages. Wow, it really is all small, isn't it? What have we got here? Ah, that's the little microphone wind jammer, which is a very useful inclusion. Slots into the cold shoe on top of the camera. That's your standard, now is that micro USB? I always forget. Yes, I think it is micro USB charging cable. That will be the battery, I'm guessing. Ooh, that is tiny. I'm going to have to get me some clones of that. What does it say? Such small writing. NPBX1. Yeah, oh, that's better. Yes, I'll have to get some clones of those. And then the camera itself. Ooh. Now that is actually quite chunky. Get rid of that. And I can feel already I'm putting my fingerprints over the screen. There is the screen, which flips out and presumably round. Yes. Control dial there. Assorted very tiny function knobs, but okay, usable. There's that cold shoe, which I think is also actually not cold. It's a multi-interface shoe. Yes, it is. So it can take Sony's proprietary microphones and things. There's the mics. And start, stop, record button, little zoom control. I think that's programmable. I'll find out later. Okay. That. It's quite chunky in that dimension, but it's quite small in those dimensions. Tripod screw and what looks like another microphone. Battery compartment. And this is the little Bluetooth controller, the snappily titled GP-VPT2BT. Something out of Star Wars there. One of the lesser used robots, simply because it took too long to call him for assistance. Right, that is, oh my, lots of bits of paper. Shooting grip with wireless. That's a kind of get started guide, I think. Yes. That's a reference guide. Okay. That, it doesn't actually say what that is. It's the same thing in more languages, I think. Now, we have a little button cell, or at least they include the battery. What type is that? That is the standard CR2032. CR2032. Okay, little carry case. Nice. And then this is the grip itself. Oh, that's quite chunky actually. Yes, I like that. Zoom. Not a lot of travel on that zoom, but I suppose you get the hang of it. Record and take photos. And a little lock button. That's a good idea. And again, I think that's a programmable button. What do we do here? Turn that. It's very stiff. I must move. Tight. Not tight. Doesn't want to move. That obviously tightens into that. What does that one do? It does also form a little tripod. And in there then. Come on, open you bugger. Oh. Wait, press 1 and press 2. You don't seriously have to press both of those to open it, do you? Looks like you do. Gosh, what a pain. And the battery goes in there. Okay. Right, why won't this thing alter its position? Perhaps I'd better read one of those many instruction guides. I have turned that. Right, it turns out it's intelligent. That's locked, but you push the button and then you can move it around, and then you let go and it's locked. That is quite good. I like that. Okie dokie. And yeah, if you tighten that up, even if you press that, it's then locked. Okie dokie. I like that. And it's got all that movement. Good. It's obviously stepped. Yes, it's stepped. But quite a lot of steps. Yeah,